Hey code chasers, how are you? I hope you're fine and healthy. With that healthy vibe, we will start our video today. I am Madhu Lakshmana Tiketi. Welcome to our channel Code Chasers. In this video, we will see what is a sequence data type in Python. The sequence data type in Python is the ordered collection of similar or different data types. Okay, that means we are collecting similar or different types of data types and storing them in a container, which we call it as sequence data types. Example of sequence data type: string, Python list, Python tuple. We'll see one by one clearly. First one is string. String is a collection of one or more characters enclosed in single quotes, a double quotes, or triple quotes. Okay. If at all you see these examples, I have declared three strings: string 1, string 2, string 3. And first string I enclosed in single quotes, second string I enclosed in double quotes, and third string in triple quotes. Okay. If at all we see the characters present in between these single quotes or double quotes or triple quotes, they can be numerics or they can be any special characters like colon, they can be alphabets. Okay. All this, if they are enclosed under single or double or triple quotes, can be considered as a string in Python. So I can say that string 1 colon welcome to our channel Code Chasers is a string assigned to a variable string 1, and string 2 colon welcome to our channel Code Chasers is another string assigned to a variable string 2. String 3 colon welcome to our channel Code Chasers is another string assigned to a variable string 3, and I am printing the three variables string 1, string 2 and string 3. If at all I execute this program, we will get string 1, string 2, string 3 printed as it is. This is our required output, the output which we are expecting. I hope you understood the basic concept of a string in Python. Okay. I will make a separate video on methods that we can apply on a string and slicing in a string. Okay. And how can we access the elements in a string. We will move on to the next type of sequence data type, that is list. List is a collection of elements enclosed in a square braces. Okay. And separated by commas. For example, I have collection of these numerical elements from 1 to 6. I've enclosed these 6 numericals in a square braces and I separated them by commas. So we can treat this as one list. Okay. And I am assigning this list to a variable list1. Okay. And if at all I print list1, and if at all I execute this, list1 will be printed. One other point, we can also include different data types in a list. We'll see one example. I'm taking one numerical, one string, another 3 numericals. This container is also considered as a list, and I am assigning this list to a variable list2. Okay, I am printing the list2. If we execute this, we can see our list2 is printed. Okay, from this what I want to convey is we can include different data types in a list. Now you might be having a doubt, right? List is also one of the data types in Python. Can we include a list in list? Yes, list3 contains numerics, a string, and a list. Can we include it in this way? The answer is yes, we can include. If at all I print list3, see 1, 2, the numerics are printed and the string code chaser is printed. List1, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements which were present in list1 were also printed. So we can include a list in a list. Not only list, we can include any type of data type in a list. I hope you understood the basic concept of a list. Okay. I make a dedicated video on list which will contains the methods that we can apply on a list and also how can we access the elements in the list. Okay. The next sequence data type is tuple. Tuple is a collection of elements enclosed in between curved braces and elements separated by commas. Okay, here I am taking an example of tuple which contains numericals from 1 to 6. Okay, now this is a tuple. On line number 18, the highlighted part is a tuple assigned to a variable tuple1. Okay, I am printing the variable tuple1. So, if at all I execute, the tuple which is stored in the variable tuple1 should be printed. Yes, the tuple which contains numericals from 1 to 6 which was stored in variable tuple1 was printed. Also, another point, a tuple can contain elements belonging to different data types. For example, I am taking a variable tuple2. I am taking elements which belong to different data types. Example, numericals 1, 2 and a string, code chasers and other two numericals. And I am assigning this particular tuple on line number 20 to a variable tuple2. If at all we print tuple2 variable, the output we got is, it has printed first two numericals, that is 1, 2, followed by a string code chasers and followed by the other two numericals 3 and 4. Another important thing is, we can also include a tuple inside a tuple. How can we do this? We'll see it with an example. Okay. I am declaring a variable tuple3 in which I am including numbers 1, 2 followed by a string, a random string. Here I am taking the same string again, code chasers. And now I am giving here the tuple1. Tuple1 is a variable to which a tuple is being assigned. Okay. So tuple1 variable stores this tuple, right? So I am including this tuple1 in tuple3. Okay. Now I am printing tuple3. We will see what the output we will get. I am executing the code. The output here is, the numericals were being printed 1, 2, 1, 2 and followed by a string code chasers, followed by a string code chasers. And here we have given tuple1, right? Tuple1 is a variable which contains this particular tuple on line number 20. The same tuple is being printed in tuple3. As we have included tuple1 in tuple3, it has also printed tuple1. So, we can say that tuple may also include tuples because tuple itself is a data type. That is a sequence data type. You may get a doubt here. List is also a sequence data type. Can we include list in tuples? Yes. Why not? We can include lists also in tuples. And also we can include tuples also in lists. I request you to please try this. Try to include a list in a tuple and try to include a tuple in a list and print the result. Do let me know if at all you face any issues by typing those issues in the comment section. I will definitely address them. I hope you understood what are sequence data types. Those are strings, tuples and lists in Python. We will conclude the video here. We will see strings, tuples and lists in detail in our further videos. I hope you found this video useful and thank you so much. One quick and important information. There are 3 courses running parallelly in our channel. Course 1, Python full course. Course 2, PySpark with Hadoop full course. These 2 courses are designed for beginners and they are designed in such a way that a person who doesn't have any knowledge in any coding language can also easily understand the content in this course. So please do follow if you are interested. And the third course is Python interview preparation. This course is designed for those people who are preparing for Python based interviews. In this course, most frequently asked Python interview questions were taken and they have been answered with live coding sessions for each and every questions if needed. So if you like my work, please do subscribe to our channel and like the video and click on the bell icon to get notified about the updates of our channel. Thank you so much.